Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. Now this is like an urgent video I kind of want to put out to everybody because I'm getting so many calls in today about this new account that's supposed to be out. Now this account is the Me Millie account, you guys, and they let you know that they're going to give you a $15,000 line, and this line is supposed to be added to your credit reports, right? So a lot of people are like, hey, Rickita, is this a new account or is it going to be similar to what's going on with my Jewelers Club, New Coast Direct, those other companies where you was able to get these accounts before. It was be a $10,000 account added to your credit report, but they're no longer reporting. And if you had an account before, they're shutting it down. Now, this has happened to me too. I had the My Jewelers Club and the New Coast Direct. They were removed from my credit reports. So now when it come down to like these accounts like Me Millie, I just don't know, you guys. But I want to make a video just to tell you guys what I actually found out about this company. And I did some investigation. I did a lot of investigating on this account, you guys. So just definitely watch this video. And if you have any questions, make sure you guys leave me a comment and then I'll go ahead and answer your questions. And I'll make more videos about this too as I find more information. But I really want you guys to start investigating these accounts. So let's get right into it. So like I told you guys, they're claiming that they're going to add a $15,000 credit line to your credit reports, right? So they're saying that they're going to add this account to your credit reports. But the thing is about this account is you have to buy something for $300. So you have to buy something, you have to spend $300. And then you already have to put 50% down out of what you buy. So you can buy a watch, you can buy some of their handbags. Tonight, that's the only thing that they have. And then they're saying they're going to create this account for you, which is going to be a $15,000 limit. Now, just because they give you that limit doesn't mean that they're going to report it to the credit bureaus, you guys. That doesn't mean anything. Now, if you look down at the bottom of this account, let me go all the way down to the bottom, you will see that they're saying it's going to actually be a $12,500 account. So the point that they're saying that it was going to be a $15,000 account, but then you go down to the bottom and saying $12,500, that's a problem for me. And then they said they're going to report your payments to the credit bureaus. But also they have a Q&A where they're saying that they're not going to, they want to report it to 2 or more credit bureaus. So it's not a guarantee it's going to be on all 3 credit bureaus. And they also said it's not even a guarantee that they're going to even report to the credit bureaus. And they saying if they are going to report, it's going to take up to 60 days for them to report. So that's one thing, you guys, that I don't like. So it's like, okay, you may be able to report, but it's going to take up to 60 days, and it may not be all 3 credit bureaus. Remember, for you guys to build your credit, you really want them to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So if you want to create an account, all you have to do is click on Apply Now. Now, the problem with clicking on Apply Now, it seems like they just want your basic information. So just your phone number, or if you click Sign Up, they're going to want your first, last name, email address, and your phone number. It looks like they're just grabbing your information right now, and then they're going to get you all the way signed up. But as I looked into their terms and conditions, you guys, all you have to do to find their terms and conditions, all you have to do is go all the way down to the bottom of the screen, the credit line terms and conditions. Click on that link there. Now, if you look at it, they're saying things like if you're in here, they're telling you like, okay, it's going to be a 0% annual, your APR is 0%. If you have a return check fee, it's going to be $25. But what I did not like is that everything says get that jury. So the account is supposed to be the Me Millie, right? You will think that the Me Millie would be the company that's going to, you're buying something directly from them. But what they're telling you is that you're going to be an account holder with Get That Jury. It's not necessarily their account. I guess you're just getting it from them. And then also you're going to pay a $20 monthly fee, about $19.99 per month monthly fee while you have this account. So you have to pay $300 because you have to buy something. You have to put at least 50% down, which is going to be $150 minimum. And then you have to also pay $19.99 per month. And this agreement is going to be for 12 months. And then after the 12 months, it's going to automatically renew unless you cancel it. And don't forget, too, you're having an agreement with GetThatJury.com. And getthatjury.com, you guys. I don't know if you guys heard about Get That Jury. They have the same exact terms. You can see down here. I don't know if they just copied this. I don't know if it's even a real company, you guys. I'm not sure. But if you go to Get That Jury, you guys, then you can see that this was an account that was out before that a lot of people signed up for. But at first, it was only a $10,000 account. You were not required to spend that $300 and have a monthly fee. But now these are new changes. Now they're saying that they're not just giving you $10,000, they're giving you $15,000. You have to at least buy $300 worth of items, and you're going to have that $20 fee per month. A lot of people that got this account right here, they tried to get this account. They said that the account was never added to their credit reports. I only seen one person say that account was added to their credit reports, but honestly, you guys, sometimes you just can't trust the comments. So, you know, in some of these videos. So I didn't make a video about this, but I seen the video already. The Credit Plug actually made a video about Get That Jury. And if you look in the comments, you guys, literally only one person said it was added to their credit reports, literally. And everybody else is like, oh, it wasn't added to my credit reports. I had them for a while. It's still not added. So you guys, I just don't see how this, you know, this company is a legit, totally legit company. And also, too, look at the bottom of both of these pages. They're like almost exactly the same. So I don't know if they're just copying the page, especially knowing they have a $12,500 credit limit here. And this one actually says $15,000. I'm not sure what happened with this. But you guys, I really don't trust this, and I hope that you guys are staying protected when you guys see these different type of accounts and think about signing up for these different type of accounts. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. And don't forget, if you guys also see the My Jewelers Club out there, I even have a video outside right now, and I told you guys no longer do I suggest that anybody even get this My Jewelers Club, because it was actually taken off of my credit reports, and also the New Coast Direct account was taken off my credit reports. I don't think that anybody should get these accounts at this time until they're able to report to the credit bureaus. So right now, you guys, I'm suggesting that you guys just take the time to get your account with Navy Federal Credit Union if you need to get a credit card. Now, usually some of these people that want to sign up for these type of accounts, they will usually try to sign up for them just so it can be added to their credit reports. But I always tell people, just start off with an actual bank right now, because these accounts are being taken down from the credit reports. So just, if you have to, start off with a secure card with Navy Fed. You'll be able to start with a $200 limit, and then in 6 months they'll raise it to a $2,000 limit. Now, if you guys are still like, oh no, Rickita, this is a good company, I want to do it, I'm still going to get this account, I want to tell you guys like a few things I want you to think about when it comes down to this company. So let's go to their frequently asked questions. So what is the credit limit for this account? So the available credit limit they're saying is $15,000. But don't forget, you got $15,000. But if you think you're going to max out $15,000 and just pay it slowly, that's not true. Because you at least have to put $7,500 down, because you have to pay 50% down on anything that you buy. So keep that in mind, you guys. Do we run credit? They said that they do not genuinely run, oh my gosh, I can't even say these things, you guys. They do not run credit all the time, but they have the right to do a soft pull or a hard pull. And they're saying to verify your identity. And the reason why some of the companies are doing this right now too is because a lot of people use these accounts for CPNs. They used to want it to build up their CPNs so they would get these type of accounts added to their credit reports. So again, why they need to verify my identity? It's just to make sure that it's not like a fraudulent, that you're not doing any fraud. And then also they want to verify because of CPNs, you guys. Like, really, that's what it really is. Do you sell my information? They saying no, they do not sell the information. All the information that they get for you is collected so that they can establish some credit line for you, and that's it. Do I need to make a purchase to apply for this? They said that you need to make at least a $300 purchase. Now, this is the thing, you guys. If you guys, I also read in the terms, and let me see if I can find it really quickly. But in the terms, they said that if you don't cancel, it's around this right here. So you'll have an initial fee. So you'll be charged at $19.99. And if you do not cancel within 3 business days, they're going to continue to charge you for that fee, but you won't be reimbursed for anything that you purchase. And a lot of people, they're only purchasing things just so this account can be added to the credit reports. So understand that you're going to pay at least $300 minimum, and you may just be buying something. It may not be added to your credit reports. So they're saying, why do I need to purchase something? They're telling you that you need to purchase something so that you can have an open balance with them when they report to the credit bureaus. Okay, here's their refund policy. So we have no refund exchange only policy. So I guess you can exchange your products only. Bank products may be subject to a restocking fee up to 50% if products show unusual wear and tear or missing original package. So this may be a way where they can sneak and get 50% back. So if you spend $300, this stuff that they have, I'm pretty sure, even if it's $300 that they're charging minimum, and you have to pay 50% right now, you know, they basically, I'm pretty sure they have more than a 50% return. So the stuff that you spent $150 down on is supposed to be $300. It's probably not even worth that $150. So now they're going to say, hey, we're going to recoup our money if you were to send it to us. So I don't like that right there. Do I need to pay any monthly fees? Yes, you will have a $19.99 service fee every month. And then what is this service fee for? So the service fee is for account management fees. Can I cancel anytime? So they say that you may cancel your account at any time, which will close your account. Any outstanding payments will be due at that time. So for those people that think that they're going to get this $300 account and they're going to spread it out, because I believe they said you have to pay this within 10 months. If you think you want to get this account and spread it out and then last minute try to cancel it, if you have not paid everything on your account, you still want to have to pay the outstanding fee. So you'll cancel that monthly fee, but you still want to have that outstanding fee. So maybe you want to do that. But understand, too, if you're not paying monthly, I don't think that they're going to report to the credit bureaus. But here's that part about reporting to the credit bureaus. Do we report to the credit bureaus? Yes. So they report positive and negative payment history. And they're saying, too, it may be reported to 2 or more credit bureaus. So they're not even saying all 3 credit bureaus. So keep that in mind, you guys. And then they're saying, too, it may take up to 60 days. So they're saying, do we assist with building credit? They're saying that they cannot guarantee that you're going to be building credit or rebuilding your credit. So understand that this account too, they said, or to the posting of any positive references to any credit report. So that's basically saying they cannot guarantee that this is going to build your credit, that it's going to rebuild your credit, or they can't even guarantee that they're going to put it on your credit report. But they're saying it may take 60 days for this account to appear on your credit report, but it's no guarantee, you guys. So this is just my review on this account, you guys. If you have any additional questions, don't forget you can always call me 833-Rickita. I'm always here for you guys. And again, just look into all these different accounts before you apply for them. Have a great day, everybody.